Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save videos from Google Drive to Gallery. So it is easy. First of all, you need to go to the Google Drive. The steps are for iOS and Android devices are the same. So open Google Drive and go to the Files folder in the bottom right corner. Click on the Files, and here you need to choose the photo or video that you want to download. So for example, I have this photo right here. And to download this photo, you need to click on the three dots next to this photo, and you will have these type of options. Now scroll down a little bit until you will find download button, and here you need to click on the download, and as you can see it says saving to photos, and it is saved. The steps for the video are the same. So as you can see, I have this video here. I need to click on the three dots next to this video, and I will click on download. Wait a little bit until the download is finished, and you can close the application and go to the photos on your device and check if everything is fine or not. And as you can see, our photo is downloaded and video is downloading right now. And basically that is it. That is how we can download videos and photos from Google Drive to Gallery. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.